Okay, so we're lining up 4 sheets of different color tissue papers. And then we're going to fold these piles in half. And then in half again. Now we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut round shapes into the edge. It doesn't have to be real specific, but if you cut some sort of roundness, little half circles, scalloped edges, it's going to give some interest to the edge of our streamers. Okay, so we're just cutting in some round shapes, kind of cutting some rounded triangles in there. So just cut straight across the fold so that we have a stack of square pieces of tissue paper. Perfect. And then you've made all the sides kind of interesting with different shapes. So now you've got a stack of tissue paper that's pretty interesting on all sides. All right, now take 4 of these pieces of tissue paper and make its own stack of 4, because it's easier to cut it in half if you only have 4 pieces. Okay, so now we have our 4 favorite squares, different colors from the pile, and we're going to fold them in half. And the first thing we're going to do is cut a little circle right in the middle of it. Perfect. And then, exactly, we're making a flower, so we're going to cut a little petal shape, exactly like that, next to the circle, and then another one right here. Perfect. All right, so we're making a little bit of a circle in the middle, just sort of like a half circle. And if it's a triangle, it doesn't matter, whatever works. Fold it in diagonal, and then fold it diagonal again in half.
So...
Oh, hold on 1 second. Wait, fold it again. Exactly. And then you're gonna do it right there, and that'll be your last 4 petals. Okay, and then let's open it up and see what that turned out to be. There is no messing up. If you just like cut stuff into the middle, it's gonna look cool. Okay, nice. So then we've got a flower. And then if you want to do that edge as well, you can fold it over the other way. Other way. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. And then fold it in half again. Perfect. And then show us where you're going to make the next petal. So you already did there. So let's see. Okay, so if we look at it like that, you've already did this one. Oh, I think we need to do a little more here, just on that other side, and we'll have it. Scalloped edges, and we have a flower in the center. And if we want to do some additional stuff, that's right, we fold it over like that. And if you cut little triangles into that fold, you can make some diamonds. And if we go into some of the other folds, we can make some little half circles to make full circles. We can make little wave shapes that will turn into hearts. So the important thing is to have fun with it and not get too concerned about, you know, it doesn't have to be any specific thing. It's just supposed to be fun and colorful. All right, so now we've cut a variety of shapes into the folds, and we're gonna lay them out one next to each other. So because we use 4 squares, we've got 4 pieces, but we can make some more. We've got plenty of tissue paper. And the next thing we're gonna do is lay out some tape as an easy way to create a banner with these Papel Picado. Using some colored paper. Today, in our case, some painting tape, but any decorative tape that you have, or if you have string, you can put them on string. All right, so she's putting them halfway across the width of the tape, like that. Great. And then leaving a little bit of room between each piece of tissue paper. And if things get sticky, don't even worry about it because we've got plenty of paper to play with. All right, 2 more. Good save. It helps to have a buddy. Perfect. All right, and then we're gonna fold the tape over. There we go. Great, and then if you want to make this longer than 4 flags, you know, it'd be good to have like 12, then you can keep going and tape them together. Can you hold it up for us? Ta-da! Thank you.